Hi friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're visiting one of the most unusual places in Italy. Civita di Bagnoregio sits on top of a narrow plateau in central Italy, surrounded by deep valleys and dramatic cliffs. From a distance, it looks like a village frozen in time, barely connected to the modern world by a single narrow bridge. This place is often called the Dying City, and once you see where it stands, you immediately understand why. Nature is slowly reclaiming it, but somehow Civita is still here, and today we're walking through it as visitors. Before we go ahead, let's talk about the history. Civita di Bagnoregio was founded more than 2,500 years ago by the Etruscans, long before Rome existed. They chose this high plateau for safety and access to trade routes. Later, the Romans expanded the town, building roads, temples, and public spaces. Over time, earthquakes and erosion began breaking away the soft volcanic rock beneath the town. The most devastating earthquake in 1695 caused large portions of Civita to collapse, isolating it from the surrounding land. That disaster changed Civita forever and earned it the nickname it carries today. Now, let's start the tour. The experience really begins at the bridge. From the parking area, you walk downhill before reaching the entrance of the footbridge. Tickets are required to enter Civita, and once you're through, the walk starts. The bridge stretches about 300 meters and gets steep near the end. Most people slow down here, not just because of the climb, but because the views are incredible. This is the moment Civita starts to feel special. Crossing through the ancient stone gate feels like stepping into another century. The streets are narrow, paved with worn cobblestones. Stone houses lean in close, decorated with flowers, vines, and small wooden shutters. There's no traffic noise, no rush, just quiet footsteps and soft conversation. Now we move to the heart of Civita. At the center of the town is the main square, home to the Church of San Donato. Built in the 13th century, the church stands on ground once occupied by an Etruscan temple and later a Roman one. If you look closely, some of the original stone columns from those earlier structures are still visible today, quietly holding layers of history together. For centuries, this church has been the spiritual and social center of Civita. Important gatherings, celebrations, and moments of daily life all pass through this square. This is where life happens. People sit, talk, and take their time. Nothing feels rushed here. The square doesn't ask for attention, it simply invites you to stay a little longer. The best way to explore Civita is without a plan. Walk down random alleys, stop at viewpoints along the edge of the town, look down into the valley and take it in. You'll find small cafes, local shops, and quiet corners that feel untouched by time. As you walk back across the bridge, you naturally look back. Civita stands there quietly, holding on. A place shaped by history, nature, and resilience. It's not just a town you visit, it's a place you remember. If you liked the video, subscribe and follow us for more videos like this.